further than the engineers into the embodiment of creative processes. And so we decided to work together on a product, a very unromantic product, which is a mass-produced kettle, to make it more sustainable by making it bio-inspired. So we started from this very Chinese-based kettle, and we made a new one, starting from an environmental analysis, because our main goal was to reduce its environmental impact. So what this environmental analysis told us is that it was the electricity during the use phase of the kettle that was the most important impact, which means a very user issue. The way we consume electrical energy to heat the water is the environmental problem, even more than the production and the waste at the end of the product life. So this was really interesting from a design point of view. And I'm not going to go into details of all the different tracks we followed, but I'll talk about two of them. First, we tried to improve the insulation of the kettle so that it wouldn't lose its heat too quickly. And we don't have to reheat all the time the water, because this is one of the issues we have as users. And we took inspiration from three living systems. First, from the use of a given material, which is clay, that is quite insulating, especially if we put some kind of porous structure inside. So clay was inspired from the lipid layer we have in the surface of our skins, and the porous structure was inspired from the beak from toucan, which is microstructure to be very lightweight and still very robust and insulating in terms of temperature. So that was perfect to also carry the weight of the water. And then we used a third aspect for insulation, which was the use of anti-convection coating, so which avoids that air would circulate too much at the surface of the kettle and bring out heat. And we took inspiration from the polar bear, who has a lot of hair, but hollow hair, to trap even more air than the regular hair. So that were our three inspirations that we took for the insulation. And then for the heat, also we decided to change the energy source of the kettle, because electricity is one of the less intuitive we can use to produce